Attention à la marche en descendant du train.
I just got off the bus, and now I'm going to her place.
Hey, I think you're cute, can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of.
Okay, so we need some oatmeal, flour, and what's this? Sugar, okay. And this is raspberry? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so 2 cups of this.
Yes, exactly.
Pictures only tell so.
It would be nice if it stayed, but... Oh, and then she took me to this pizza place.
But it's hard for me to tell if it's too long or not enough. But talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you the message I'm hovering over sent, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more about my Insta crush.
1 cup of oatmeal.
Yep. I think so. Yeah, but maybe a little bit less than a cup of brown sugar.
Wait, and okay, less than 1? 1.
Yeah, both. Yeah, whatever.
So creepy. Yeah.
I don't know what's the best way to start, cause if I'm not careful I might lay it on my heart, out of my chest too fast. But I really wanna make the conversation last, so I'll start off slow with something really simple like, hey, hello, I kinda like your dimples. Wait, that's so dumb, but I can't think straight. I've been thinking really long.
Oh, it's not... Oh, it...
Yeah, it's quite hard. You can use a spoon if you want to. I would recommend that actually.
Okay, I think it's good.
Oh. Do you know what internship you have yet?
Oh yeah, I got one.
Yeah.
I got hired on spot.
Take a couple of forks, or just
Okay.
one fork?
Did we add butter to this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'll do this part.
Okay.
Grab a whisk.
Why is this brown sugar like so brown? What is it made
It's
of?
molasses.
Okay.
They put molasses with sugar. So it just has a different taste and different texture. It's like sticky a little bit.
Because the brown sugar in my country is light brown and it's like crystal.
Sometimes we have that too. But yeah, apparently the one in France is not this way. In the US we have light brown and dark brown sugar.
So this is it. This is the sugar.
So once we do this, basically what we'll do is take part of it and put it on the bottom of that pan.
Okay, this one.
It'll be like the base. And then we'll put the strawberry jam on top.
So we don't put like any baking powder or anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Really simple, super simple recipe. That's why it's so good. Actually, a little bit different.
Oh, so like the top part and the bottom part is... So was it on the recipe or this is your idea?
This is on the recipe as well. I'm actually just following the recipe at this point. Sometimes I don't do this part. But I think it's a good touch.
So it's crispy.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon. Then we will spread the jam.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is the bottom part and this is the top part. Okay. Wait, so we put the strawberry in between?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I thought it goes on the very top.
Yeah, it'll be interesting. Maybe a little layer bar. This is actually really hard to open.
Yeah, normally I need another person to do the job for me.
Okay.
Oh, why don't we try it with a knife to get the seal off and...
Yeah, I was gonna.
Oh, and also this is how a natural jam looks like, because we don't have this. We have flavored jams that is made from an entirely different substance.
Okay. That is, yeah. Bueno. Okay. So how do you like these jams then?
I don't like it at all. It has this sour taste to it. The ones we have, it's very sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously because it's fake.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's, yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. I use all of it.
I got one bottle when I came here and my mom was laughing. She was like, you're going to a country where they have like actual jam.
Like, why are you bringing this?
How long does it take to bake this? And the temperature?
Is it 325?
Fahrenheit?
Yeah, so 170.
Okay.
I don't really know. I'll probably bake it for about 20 minutes. But the recipe says 35 to 40, but my oven is like very hot.
Okay.
So you can't trust my oven. Unfortunately. Alright. This topping is so good, so buttery.
It smells good.
Yeah, I smell some cinnamon a little bit.
Oh yeah, and in these countries they don't use the original cinnamon, they have a powdered version.
That makes sense.
Okay, yep, go ahead. It goes in and then...
Leave it in for like 2 minutes more.
Did it get burned?
Yeah, maybe give it some kind of cool. Okay. It's quite gooey. Oh, it's a little bit too gooey. It's not coming out right.
Okay, it's like a brownie
Yeah.
at this point.
This would be like really good with ice cream once again.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts? It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it is sweet. and then it has the jam. But this jam is better than the one I had.
Okay, the sky's really pretty.
Okay. We have kind of a situation here. Okay. Okay, that's dried sausage. Do you need any nuts? It's here.
Alright.
On side. Oh. It's fun.
Can I get one of those too?
It's on you.